Hello everyone, I'm going to make a demonstration burp video for some people who have asked, how do I do it? Well, number one, you need to have yourself. Then you just kind of swallow air a little bit, I guess, like. Do it several times, and like I did, and you let it out. Like if you see, like right here. And let it out. Yeah, so I'll show you one more time. Swallowing. I'm still swallowing. It kind of looks like I'm chewing on something, doesn't it? Well, anyway, I hope you like my demonstration. I will show you guys a few more times. One more time. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope it'll be a help to you guys out there who need it. And yeah. I'm gonna give you a little bit on my little brother Jack. So Jack, talk to everybody.
Hi. We gotta tell you about Allie's concert tonight.
Honey, I don't have a concert tonight.
When your knee stakes out and you take when you take. Act our way and your soul.
Well, honey, what are you talking about?
I can breathe.
Honey, can you tell everybody something about yourself?
Oh, myself is my washcloth doing on the table or something to do not on here.
Well, everybody really appreciates your company, Jack, so say bye.
No, I got one more question. About this day, I'll take on the Grand Raid next week. Bye.